This is quite easily the easiest upgrade ever.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a
Alright, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning into the Riding Dad channel. If you're new, go ahead and don't forget to click that subscribe button before anything else. If you're coming back, I appreciate you coming back and thank you very much. Thank you to everybody watching this video. My name's Chris, and go ahead right now before anything else, if you thought my accent in the beginning was legitimate, hit that thumbs up button. I think I deserved it. Okay, so we're going to be replacing these regular old boring 1920s bulbs with some brand new LEDs, and not just any LEDs, but the V2 LEDs from Moon's MC. And I'm sure, obviously, the thumbnail gave it away for you guys. However, these are really special because they have sequential blinking. They don't just blink either like the Ring or not, but you know, I'm getting ahead of myself. You guys will see that when it's installed. But like I said in the beginning, accent or not, still stands true. This is probably going to be the easiest thing in the entire world you can do to your Harley, short of changing out the little thumb screw on your seat, and that really doesn't benefit you besides looking cool and having maybe a little bit of knurling if you're going to change the seat out often. So you're going to need some sort of cloth. I just have a microfiber and a flathead screwdriver, and these are for the bullet turn signal. Somewhere on your turn signal there is going to be a little notch on this little plastic covering, and you're going to overlap this microfiber around the flathead, stick it in there, turn the microfiber a little, turn the screwdriver a little. That way it wedges and makes a bigger gap, forcing the plastic cover off of the actual bullet turn signal. That's going to pop the cover off. We're going to unscrew the light. You'll push it in the bulb and turn it to the left. You can pay attention to how the little notches on the bulb are oriented if you want. I just fiddle with the new ones until they actually go in. It doesn't hurt anything, and they can only go in one way, so it's not a big deal. And then you'll put the new ones in the same way, kind of coil up the wires, fit it back in, and then interesting enough, Moon's does not come with this plastic piece, so you can either reuse the crap yellow one for no reason because the new ones have white running and amber turn built into the LEDs themselves. So you can either do a smoke or a clear lens. I have smoke here right now. I have clear on order just because I'm curious how the clear will look, and it was like $6 from Amazon. So I'll move you guys closer. We'll go ahead and do that, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so just like I said, super easy, super quick install. Before I show you exactly what they look like on the bike, I do want to take a second and do kind of like a shout out to this company. It's Moons MC. They don't supply me with anything for free. They didn't give me any kind of radical discount or anything like that. But if you're anything like me, you're not a millionaire or even close to it. So I want to read to you. This will be the second product I have. If you've seen, I'll post at the end. There'll be, little video links in my Lowrider S Build series playlist. There's also a video that I did on installation of the rear tail light with integrated turn signals from Moons MC. I've heard nothing but good things about Moons MC, which stands for Motorcycle Culture. And this was obviously my second order, being the first one was that. So I didn't message him, I didn't ask him questions, I didn't call or anything like that. I knew what I wanted, I literally just placed the order. So the day after I placed that order, I got an email from Tommy Moons, and this is what it says. Obviously, my name is Chris, so it says, "Hi Chris, wanted to take a second and thank you for your business. There is nothing more rewarding than seeing an order from a repeat customer, and I can't express how grateful I am every time. If there's anything else I can do for you, please do not be shy. Thank you again. Tommy Moons, Moons MC." That goes a long way. Not only did he take the time out of his day running this company, who is obviously incredibly busy, especially with everything that is going on, trying to ship these orders, which, side note, they ship incredibly fast from when you buy them. But not only is he doing all that in the scheme of everything that's going on, but he took the time to email me about it, but he also took the time to realize and look at that I was a repeat customer. So I've had a business, small business, a little bit in the past for about 2-3 years, and stuff like that is what shows that the business owner actually cares enough and they go the extra mile. So not only are these not incredibly expensive, I'll post the link down below like I do for every product pretty much, but I want to say they were 89 bucks. So not only are they, pretty cheap compared to a lot of other ones that are out there for the LED turn signals, they're great quality, at least from what I can tell so far. I do not think there's going to ever be any issue with these. All Moon's LED stuff is internally sealed, so you don't have to worry about if any moisture gets in, like the taillight I have or these or anything like that. They're all internally sealed, so even if moisture does get around it and everything like that, it's not going to affect the actual electronics of the product. But not only is the product good, but you can have faith if you purchase anything from Moons that it's going to a good company with some solid dudes working there. Enough of my blabbering. Let's turn these on. I'll show you what they look like. Just the white, and then I'll show you what they look like with the actual turn signals going on, one or the other. And they're very bright. They're very good. Like I said, don't hesitate to buy anything from Moons. They're a really good company. So, okay. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. I say it every video. Every YouTuber says it every video, so it really does help. And I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. If you have any questions, comments, please just, if you think they look good, if you think they look like crap, if you have something you believe is better, worse, whatever, interact with me. Whatever you want to say, let's chat about it in the comment section. So, let's look at these, and until next time, guys, ride safe, have fun, dad out.